Hazrat Shaqiq reports, while I was sitting in the company of Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud and Hazrat Abu Moosa Ash'ari radiyallahu anhu, Hazrat Abu Moosa said to him, should a man keep on performing prayer with dry ablution if he becomes sexually defiled and does not find water for 1 month? How will you interpret this verse of chapter Al-Ma'idah? If you do not get water, perform dry ablution with pure soil. Hazrat Abdullah radiyallahu anhu said, if they are allowed in this case, there is fear. Whenever they feel the water cold, they will perform dry ablution with pure soil. I said, have you disliked it for this reason? He said, yes. Hazrat Abu Moosa radiyallahu anhu said, haven't you heard Hazrat Ammar's statement that he said to Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam tasked me, and I became sexually defiled and water was not found. So I wallowed on the pure soil like cattle. When I mentioned it to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he said, it was sufficient for you to do so. And he struck the earth once with his palm, then shook the dust off it, then passed it on the backside of his left hand, or passed the backside of the left hand on the palm. Thereafter he passed his both hands on his face. Hazrat Abdullah radiyallahu anhu said, don't you see Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu did not show contentment to Hazrat Ammar's word? Yala, Amash and Shaqiq said the same. While I was along with Hazrat Abdullah and Hazrat Abu Moosa radiyallahu anhu, Hazrat Abu Moosa radiyallahu anhu said, haven't you heard what Hazrat Ammar said to Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu? He said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam sent me and you, Hazrat Umar, on a task, and I became sexually defiled and rolled on pure earth. We came back to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam and informed him about it. He said, it was sufficient for you, and he passed his hands once on his face and palms. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 347.